Hello, today I would like to share a very good practice, how to format SQL in the code base. So why we even start this topic? Because we discovered that some of the bugs we have, and quite a lot of them, we have SQLs that are not nice formatted, and this is sometimes error prone and it's difficult to read through them. Dominic prepared how to improve formatting. This is an example in the Confluence. It is good for just knowledge base of your project. When I saw it, I said, this is great, because there are a lot of ideas in the internet how to have the proper formatting of your SQLs, or maybe not. Maybe you should have SQLs or use more ORM. There are many approaches, but it's good that somebody will bring these good ideas to the project. So they are not somewhere over internet, they are here in this project. And this was just the first version. Then it was extended by how to get to that better formatting, how to change the current code to this code. Then some changes. I'm here browsing through the history in the Confluence. And then some examples with bad code, and maybe not bad, but how the code looks like right now, and it's easy to make a mistake. And this is how to have it better. And now some final touch, an example how it should look like if you format it better. And this is like the final touch. So what else is important? We share this knowledge on our weekly backend meetings, and there were some more ideas how we can format it, and there were ideas to use pgAdmin that most people use, and it will safely format the code for us. That's all. Thank you.